Looking for a sporty dress watch that exudes confidence and style? Well, you've landed on the right watch in the Citizen NJ010071E, featuring a brushed stainless steel 42mm case and a classy black dial. This one is fit for the office or the bar and could seriously accentuate a good suit. A simple dial looks back at you with just a date window at 3 o'clock and two simple logos at 12 and 6. This simplicity is continued into the hands with a classic 3-hand setup. The shiny indices stand out against the dial, and it looks like every other hour marker is thicker and includes a bit of brushed stainless steel as well. The automatic movement ticks over nice and smooth and includes a 40-hour power reserve. You can hand wind this one with the crown, which provides a really satisfying haptic feedback. A mineral glass tops out the case and only protrudes just a hair above the bezel, allowing for a modest 11.6mm height. Total weight on this one is going to be fairly heavy thanks to the solid stainless steel case. So this one weighs in at 152 grams. It's not too heavy in my opinion, and a little bit of weight adds to that premium feel that this watch carries so well. I'd even argue this one rivals some Swiss brands in terms of quality, but I digress. Bracelet on this one is pretty solid too and includes a one-touch 3-fold clasp. On the wrist, this one sits pretty good for a 42mm. It's probably due to that lug-to-lug measurement, which is only 45mm. So on a 6-inch wrist, this one sits very comfortably, without the lugs hanging over the edges. Citizen are renowned for quality in their materials and movements, and this model is absolutely no exception. It's a beautiful looking watch, and I think this one could work as a casual dress watch, suitable for any occasion. Check it out online at watchdepot.com.au by clicking the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks for watching.